All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. You're looking at 10 top teeth, 10 bottom teeth. You got the diamond dust finish right on each tooth with the white border. Gives it a nice look, classic look, guys. One of our best sellers. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. It's high quality work, guys. It's made, handmade, okay, for a perfect fit. And it's available on our website. Pick one up for yourself. blingcartel.com, guys. We've been doing this for 10 years. Check us out. blingcartel.com. Affordable prices, high quality work, guys. There it is. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.